class, we are lecturer from Polytechnic Sultan Azlan Shah. Today, I will show a video about the practical task entitled Conduct Refrigerant Leak Test. At the end of the video, students will be able to determine the types and proper methods for checking the leakage. To locate leaks in a refrigerant system using visual leak detection, pressure method, soap solution, electronic leak detector, and ultraviolet fluorescence system. And to perform leak detection system, stay tuned and watch the following video. The temperature inside the vehicle cabin is very hot. There are a few reasons cause the air conditioning system in the vehicle does not produce cool air. One of the reasons is air conditioning system refrigerant leak. Refrigerant leaks must be found and rectified as a low refrigerant charge will cause system damage. Air and moisture can enter a system at the leak point and cause internal components to corrode. Compressor lubrication depends on refrigerant circulation. Refrigerant helps cool the compressor. The apparatus needed for this task are manifold gauge, soap solution, electronic detector, and ultraviolet fluorescence system. For safety precaution, make sure the student follows the laboratory or workshop safety regulation. Lecturers or experienced lab assistant must experiment together with the students. Visual leak detection. When a refrigerant leak occurs, it is common for the lubricant oil to escape with the refrigerant. Oil pressure and encrusted dust around hose fittings, joints, and components will indicate a leakage point. Pressure relief valve or fusible peak. Joints, pressure relief valve, joints, front seal. Pressure method. The pressure method records the initial and final pressure for the faulty air conditioning system. The readings will be compared to a normal air conditioning system. Soap solution. A mixture of dishwashing liquid and water applied around the air conditioning system, pipes and fitting will form bubbles at the leakage points. Electronic leak detector. These leak detectors operate in various ways. The most common is that when the unit is turned on, a low ticking sound can be heard, and once the probe locates a leak, the ticking sound increases to high-pitched noise. This can be achieved by moving the sensing tip slowly around the underside of components and fittings at approximately 5 mm.
Kalau bocor, ada jumpa kebocoran, dia akan bunyi macam ni.
Important notes. Only use a detector designed to sense the refrigerant in the air conditioning system you are testing. Always clean dirt and grime from the section you are testing, otherwise the sensing tip will be clogged. Regularly check the sensitivity of the detector by sampling a small leak of refrigerant from a charging port shredder valve. Never allow the tip to contact the components being checked. Always check under fitting or components as refrigerant is heavier than air. Check for refrigerant leaks out of the wind. Check for refrigerant leaks with the engine stop. Ultraviolet fluorescence system. A fluorescent color dye is injected into the air conditioning system and allowed to circulate. Then, a specially designed ultraviolet lamp is passed over each component in the air conditioning system. If a leak is evident, the color dye glows brightly. This method is exceptionally good for pinpointing a small leak. Important notes. It is advisable to ask the customer to return in approximately 1 week, as the dye could take longer to immerse in the air conditioning system as a small leak. Check with the air conditioning manufacturer to see if these dyes are suitable and will not damage the air conditioning system components, such as filter dryer desiccant. Failure to do so could void the manufacturer's warranty. Always check the manufacturer's recommendations before using this method. Well, that's how leak detection tests can be performed in vehicle air conditioning systems. After the leakage location is identified, the next step is to repair it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.